Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming that Gmail and Calendar share the same Google account. This is essential. Once confirmed, open Gmail settings and enable a map only if you plan to sync via a third-party client, otherwise skip. Then open Google Calendar, go to Settings, and find the Events from Gmail section so you can enable or review automatic event import. Once done, make sure the account permissions allow Calendar to read Gmail events so automatic creation can occur. Now you configure what actually syncs and why. In Calendars, Events from Gmail turn on the types you want: flights, hotels, reservations, so Gmail data becomes calendar events. Next, check your Google account security settings and connected apps to confirm Calendar has permission to read Gmail, revoke and reauthorize any problematic apps. Once reauthorized, adjust event visibility and notification settings to control reminders and privacy. This ensures synced items behave like any manually created event. To finish, refresh your calendar and open a Gmail message that should create an event. Calendar typically imports details within minutes. If events don't appear, revoke and regrant calendar permission in your Google account, then trigger a new email-based test. Make sure emails contain clear, structured itinerary details, dates, times, locations, because parsing fails on vague text. One key troubleshooting tip: if expected events still fail, check that the emails aren't in spam or promotions, as that prevents automatic event extraction.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.